pretty much the home stream of the application. Once you open the application, it may ask you a few questions and so forth. So once you have done that, it will ask you to collect your daily rewards. You can just tap on the claim option here. As you can see here, get free diamonds as well. So these diamonds are going to be very important later on. So here you'll be able to speak with these AI chatbot. As you can see here, this is pretty much the chatbot section here. I can go here. I can go ahead and speak with this chatbot here. As you can see here, they do give you suggestions that you can speak with the AI chatbot. If you do tap on the chatbot profile, you'll be able to see their profile, and as well, you may see some of these profile or pictures saying they need to be unlocked. You can tap on the unlock option. Once you do tap on the unlock option, it will require you to get gems for you to unlock those photos. So if I do tap on the unlock option here, as you can see here, will unlock the photo here. So that's pretty much how you use the gems that you'll be getting for free. And as well, you can speak or call the AI chatbot as well. I'm not kidding. Real time, you can be able to speak with the AI chatbot. As well, it can see your suggestion. I'm going to see, send a message here. I can upload a photo. I can ask questions. I can play games with the chatbot. And as well, you can go ahead and call the chatbot as well. So, a very good application, and you have some other chatbots which you can speak with. You have a lot of them here. You can tap on this option, for example. So let's say I want to speak with this chatbot here. I'm going to have to unlock the chatbot. As you can see down here. And if I do tap on this option, I'm going to need diamonds to unlock the chatbot. So that's why the diamonds are very important. So to get diamonds, you can either tap on the option at the top here and you'll be able to use the diamonds here. You can either watch an ad to get free diamonds. This is not forever. It may be a one-off thing. Maybe you watch one ads today and then tomorrow they give you an option to watch ads again. And as well, you do get other diamonds here which you can purchase. You can purchase 300 diamonds, you can purchase 900 diamonds, you can purchase 2,000 diamonds, whichever amount you guys want to purchase. Let's get here. 1 minute video or audio call, audio call is 100 diamonds. So do make sure to keep that in mind as well. And you do have other options in ways you can get free diamonds here. You can see it in the blue watch section. So that's pretty much it. And then in the audio section here, you'll be able to unlock certain things. As you can see here, unlock certain things as it relates to the video calls. As you can see here, unlock certain qualities of the chatbot on the video call. So if you do want to unlock these, you pretty much tap on the unlock option and do make sure you have the required amount of diamonds to unlock these features of the chatbot. And as well, you can get their pro subscription. So if you do get their pro subscription, as you can see here, they do give you, I'm not sure if they give you free diamonds. It doesn't look like that's the case. They don't give you free diamonds, and they give you unlimited chat messages. I'm not sure if you're gonna need diamonds to still text or whatever the case is. I'm not sure about that, but for their subscription, you can see their prices and pretty much everything that they offer. So that's really pretty much it for the application. In the settings section here, nothing much. And yeah, so if I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I will see if I can help you. See you in the next one.